Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
I'm like, no, I'm not doing social work, but I hear people's voice. Even today, someone in the group helped me out. She did a signing for me, and I couldn't get to it, so I put it in our mentorship program, and she took it. And I priced it at a certain point, but he was elderly, so I was gonna go do it for that price. And I was just trying to help go ahead and get the price set for him because I knew he was elderly. She was in the area, so she didn't mind doing it. Thank you, shout out. You know who you are, okay? But my point is, I do have a heart, so people know I want their business. So when I started executing and doing all those different things in my business, right? I'm advertising better. I'm showing them who I am. I have some life in my business. I have a smile on my face when they call me on the phone. I'm like, hey, thank you for calling None Better Mobile Notary. This is Kimberly. How may I help you? They like, wow, you wake up like that? If I had $1 for every time somebody asked me that, guys, I'd be rich. I do wake up like that. And if not, I've been on lives, and Alexis will tell you I'm getting my water before that phone ring. When I hear it ring the first time, I'm like, okay, let me get myself together. And then I drink some water to get that morning sound out. I'll be like, good morning. Thank you for calling. Okay. I'm not being fake. I'm being real because I thank them for calling. I want them to call me. They could have called anybody else, but they call None Better. Okay. Even when it comes to notary training, you could pick anybody out there. But when you rock with Notary Educators, we feel good about that. And we darn sure try to make sure you have a good experience. So what I do in my personal business, I do in my business, Notary Educators, okay? So I say all that. You take these gems and write these notes down. This is how you grow, okay? Everything I'm giving you the secret sauce. That's the secret sauce right there. And that ain't no secret because I tell you everything I do, okay? And some people say, well, Kimmi, how do you tell so much and you still able to sell things? And I watch a lot of people that have businesses and kind of mentors in the industry. They have YouTube channels and different stuff. I watch all their free stuff or whatever. I'm not paying $25,000 for no mentorship. At least I don't think I am. I don't even have that to pay. But anyway, I get free mentorship from them, right? And one of them said, if you got to be a gatekeeper and you can't just ad-lib talk about, just honestly talk about your business without feeling like somebody walking behind a car, without feeling like you're giving away everything you know, then you don't know enough. You don't know your industry. I can come on here every day for a year and tell you a story every day for the rest of my life, because something happens every day. Now they in my video, so yeah, you know what I'm saying. So all right, let's see what else we got. Let me say hey. Hey Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. Carrie Ann, hi there. Thank you again. Like and subscribe. Thanks, Lori. Joy says, I would definitely devour the book. I have started and stopped a couple times and gone back to restart it again, but I was in college, so now I have time to sit down and consume it all. Yeah, that's exactly what I would say. Just take your time. Take your time. Anthony Brown Show. What's up? What's up, my friend? Where you been at? Kimmi, I need your contact information. I had a client call me from Georgia, but I didn't have a notary in Georgia to send him to. So really, what I would say, hey, St. Bruce, I would put it in our Notary Educators Facebook group, because I don't typically have too many people just send me jobs. I appreciate it though, Anthony Brown, I really do, but I don't have people sending me jobs because I have my own jobs. I have my own clients. So a lot of times I've had 1 month, oh my God, thank you though, I appreciate it. 1 month I had 4 different notaries take an assignment and couldn't do it and wanted to give it to me. I'm not that person. I have my own business. I do. Now, if you call me on a one-off or you email me something, but don't take a job assuming that I can go and do it. I have my own jobs. I have my own schedule. So I don't even really like people to send me too much stuff. But if you want to try, you can send it to notaryeducatorsllc@gmail.com. But again, I have my own work. So I would tell you to put it in our notary Facebook group. But again, I don't know that everybody in that Facebook group knows how to properly notarize documents. So that's not what that group is for. So I don't even put my jobs in there. I might ask for a witness in there, but I'm very picky about who I give my work to. So if you ever have a client, though, you just can't find anyone, say, for example, you couldn't get me or somebody else, then I'm going to go to Google, like a client, anybody else. I'm going to type in notary in that client's zip code, wherever they're located. I'm going to find them a 5-star notary. Because I've had to do that before. Okay. Lori says you're doing a fantastic job. Thank you, Lori. I appreciate it. Katie's Kitchen says, I had a customer tell me I love you after I finished proofing them. Yes. Yes. And that's what you want. You want your clients to love you, to feel like they have a relationship with you. You know, I often tell this story. It's so funny that one of my clients, I did like 10 notarizations for her, and her sister needed a notary one day, and one day her sister was like, hey, I need a notary, and she was like, call my notary, and she was like, I didn't even know you had a notary. So yeah, I do the family notaries now. So I do all the stuff for her and all the stuff for her sister, right? And that's what I want for you to be the go-to notary in your area. That didn't happen overnight. It did not. But once it did start happening, it was popping. Okay? Lori says, you talking to me, Kimmi? I'm working on getting out of my comfort zone. Yes, Lori. Yes. Yes. And it's so funny because the more you come out of your comfort zone, the more your business is going to grow. You've probably heard closed mouths don't get fed. And that's true. And the more you get out there in the neighborhood, I mean, I was popping off in places, dropping my cards off everywhere. I order my business cards. I used to order them at 100 at a time. Now I order them 1,000 at a time. And now I don't have to order any for a while because this last batch they messed up. I ordered 2,000. I ordered 2,000 business cards and they didn't come out right. Vistaprint gave me a whole nother 2,000. Yep. I love Vistaprint. I love Vistaprint. I don't work for them. I don't got no affiliate with them. I paid $89, I think, for 2,000. So I hand out business cards like I hand out candy. Okay. I'm like, you get a card, you get a card, you get a card, you get a card. I hand out business cards like 3-4 at a time. Nobody leaving me without 3 or 4. Now, there's a rare occasion when somebody will say, oh, I have your number on my phone. I'll just save it. Most people, though, they getting 3 or 4. 3 or 4. 3 or 4. Okay. So, yeah, Lori, come on out the comfort zone. Welcome to the comfort zone. Hey, you gonna give me an idea, girl? I gotta write that down. I'm on my phone right now. I'm about to say that one. Come out of your comfort zone. Oh, Lori, that's gonna be a tribute to you, girl. I'm gonna do that on one of my little videos for notaries. I love it. I love it. Hey, Pamela Murphy, love who you are. Yes. So Robin says, here's a question. Recently started doing field inspections, noticing that the price range is between $18 and $20 for a 15+ mile trip here in Houston. I feel as if that's low. What are your thoughts?